everybody, welcome. Today, if you don't know, my name is John. I'm an exercise physiologist, and I will be covering the top 3 tips that I can give for you, whether you're advanced or a beginner, on how to tweak your diet so that you get better performance and outcome from your results, as well as improve your overall health. So let's dive on into tip number 1. Tip number 1, don't drink your calories. I can't tell you how many clients I have lost weight simply by cutting out sodas and sugary drinks. Stick to water, coffee, tea, or even kombucha for added probiotics. Remember, avoid those high extra sugary drinks, all those added calories, because they're not giving you any benefit. It's just an immediate pleasure or taste that you're getting. You want to focus on eating and consuming for purpose, not for pleasure. This brings me to tip number 2. Avoid excess sugars as well as fats in your diet. By taking those out of your diet, you'll decrease your chance of getting lots of diseases such as cancers and heart failure, diabetes, and many more that you can avoid just by simply cutting it out of your diet. Also, you'll be able to increase your athletic performance. Remember, if you spike that insulin too much, you inhibit fat usage, also creating more fat, making it even harder to lose weight. Now, not all fats and sugars are the same. You want to avoid those processed sugars especially. And with the fats, you want to avoid those saturated fats and those trans fats especially as much as you can. Now, there are some healthy fats, keep that in mind, especially like avocados, you see the omega-3s, omega-6s, great for the diet. We're talking about especially the bad fats and the bad sugars. If you're an advocate for adding sugar to your coffee or your tea or something and you just have to have it, go for a more natural sugar, such as coconut sugar. It has the lowest glycemic index of 35, meaning it's slowly released in your body and it doesn't have that excess insulin spike. So you get some benefits by doing it. But if you can, try to avoid it, right? Most of the time, it's just simply for that immediate pleasure, and it's not gonna help you in your long-term goals. Now, a lot of people are also like, well, what about sports drinks, such as, again, Body Armor, as you saw, or Gatorade? They got potassiums, and they got sodiums, and all the electrolytes you need to be able to perform. And yeah, that will give you some added benefits, but that brings me to tip number 3. This brings me to tip number 3. Eat the rainbow. The more colors you have in your diet, the more likely you're getting in a wide variety of vitamins and minerals, right? So eat different colors, different fruits, different veggies, and that goes to my next point on that. 50% of your diet should consist of fruits and veggies. It allows your body to function at its highest efficiency and helps prevent those diseases, as well as increase your body's performance and the overall results in the gym, right? So focus on different colors. They recommend about 18 to 30 different colors in a day as a general rule to follow. So try to start increasing the amount of vitamins and minerals you have in that diet. All right, guys, to summarize, 3 of the most important tips that you can take and implement into your diet to increase your overall health and athletic performance and results. Tip number 1, don't drink your calories, right? Stick to water, tea, or coffee, and be careful if you add anything to either of those. Tip number 2, avoid excess sugars and fats. Cut out the unhealthy fats and sugars and avoid them like the plague. And tip number 3, eat the rainbow. Eat your veggies and fruits. 50% of your entire diet should consist of fruits and veggies to maximize vitamin and mineral intake for absolute maximum performance, as well as health to avoid chronic disease. Check it out, guys. Hope you like those. If you start implementing stuff in them, the tips and tricks, please comment in the link below. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know.